G'day, here's a parcel of seam opal from Lightning Ridge, Australia. Black opal country, rules in millimetres. Material's been weighted to help highlight the colours and patterns in the stone. I'll just go in a bit closer so you get a better look. Okay, I've just gone in a bit closer so you can see the stones a bit closer. There's some black material here. Something like this, you need to slice it with a thin saw. So you work your way across, have a look in the end to see if there's any colour showing. Colour bar there showing. Unfortunately it's on a bit of lighter material. Piece with a red bar going across there. Multicolour. Showing the pink salmons in there. The camera's doesn't seem to be picking it up as well as where I'm looking. Some pieces with not so much colour. It's going across there. Purple bar there. There's a lot of small pieces with colour in it. Make little doublets out of. A piece like that needs to be ground around to see where the bar is before you start. You can see some of it there. Back centre. Brighter piece. Anyway, I think that's given you a bit of an idea. I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.